Hi, my name is Evan Malone White with Royal Industrial Solutions, part of the Industrial Solutions Network. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download software updates when you have a TechConnect contract. Open up Chrome or any other browser and go to rockwellautomation.com. At this point, we're going to have to sign into your TechConnect account. So to do this, go to Support and go to Knowledge Base Support Center. Here, you'll either be asked to sign in or you'll be redirected to a login page. At the login page, use your already created Rockwell Automation account or create a new account, whatever you need to do to get access. At this time, when we get to this page, to find our downloads, we're going to go to Support, slide over to Downloads, and select Downloads. Here, we're going to see a big download box with a little red cloud. We're going to go to Software Downloads by Serial Number. At this point, use the serial number of your desired software update and enter it into the field. And then go over to the matching and please select company name or registered BPID. For company name, please use your full company name. For registered BPID number, use your TechConnect support number. In this case, we're going to use company name, and we're going to enter Royal Industrial Solutions. Hit Next, and it'll take you to a page with that software. Here, you can select the version that you desire. Remember, you're allowed to download any software version from when you purchase your TechConnect contract. This helps you select different versions that may run better on different pieces of equipment. Some legacy equipments work better with older software versions. Select whatever version you think makes sense for your line. Select the version number and click the little download icon and start your download. And that's how you get your software with a TechConnect